Hi, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to make use of meter. This is meter. We call this meter. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and like the video and share it. As an engineer, it's a good thing to know how to make use of meter. So, for instance, this is meter. Let me dive in. This meter, if you touch this thing together, you will hear a sound. As you can see the sound, and it's reading 00003. Simply means that power is jamming together, is bridging. Something is bridging. That is why you are hearing that sound. That is why you can hear the sound. Okay, for instance, let us make use or let us test run it with a button phone that is available here. You can also use it. You can also use it and trace for Android phone. But I'm using this button phone as an example. Why we check, or let us read the minus leg produce this sound. That is normal, because you know what we have is positive and negative, the plus and minus. Now we are going to the power side, being the plus side. As you can see, it produces the same sound. It simply means that this phone is not okay, this phone is bad, this phone have issue. So what could be the issue? Meter have to identify it. You need to use your meter. How will you use meter to identify this issue? Is that you will use this meter and be tracing the IC that this bridge. I place it here. You can see the sound. It's still making the same sound. This is where the power IC, the one that you can remove, but the main power IC you can locate it here inside here. So as a engineer, if here, as you can see here, is bridging, what you have to remove this IC. First remove this IC. For instance, we have removed this IC here. Now let's read the plus leg again. As you can see, it's not reading normal. It's reading, what are you seeing there? It's reading 532. It's reading normal. That means now the plus side is now free. All because we have removed this IC that is here. As you can see now, there is no sound producing from here. This IC again now. The plus side now is free. The power have come because it was bridging as of them. Now automatically, if you on this phone now, let's try to on this phone now. Let's try to on this button phone. Automatically, if you on this phone now, it will on automatically. We are on it. You see, it's on. It have turned up. But unlike before, I could have shown you. But if I tend to do it will burn this phone, also burn the battery. So that is why it's very necessary as an engineer, when a client brings phone for you, or anyone brings phone to you to repair, or anything called gadget or electronics, you are meant to use your meter to check it first before you apply either your battery or any other battery to test run the phone. You are meant to use meter first to check if the power has issue, or if the IC is there is anyone bridging. You are meant to use meter first. Like I said before, this is a way to use meter. Once meter is producing sound or reading 0 from 0, shows that that particular side is not power, that is error. You are meant to identify where the error is coming from. You can use meter to trace. You can also use meter to identify problems. So I believe that this video is a helpful one for you, and I trust that you will come back for more. And also, I'll be making more of this video, and if you have any question to ask, you are free to ask. Thank you. See you in next class and next video. Make sure you like this video. God bless you.